How to fix AMDRyzenMasterDriver.sys A driver cannot load on this device in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might get a message, a driver cannot load on this device. Driver AMDRyzenMasterDriver.sys. This error message indicates that the AMDRyzenMasterDriver.sys driver is failing. The full message is a security setting is detecting this as a vulnerable driver and blocking it from loading. You will need to adjust your settings to load this driver. Follow the steps to fix it. Click on Search, type Core Isolation, click on Core Isolation under Best Match. Click on this toggle switch to turn off memory integrity. Click on Restart here on the pop-up. After restarting, the error message will no longer appear. Friends, note that this is not a permanent solution because you will have to keep memory integrity turned off due to this error message. But there is no advantage of struggling more and more. Once the AMD Ryzen Master Driver.sys driver is updated, the problem will be automatically fixed. You can turn on memory integrity thereafter. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.